thighs. When I look at your posture, what I notice first is that your feet are like standing in like duck stance. It means like your tibias, your shins are rotating outside, and your knees or your femurs are rotating inside. So you basically want that more to be there. What happens is certain myofascial restrictions happen in your glutes, around your glutes. Probably your glute medius. That's pulling your foot and your femur and external rotation. When I look from the side, what I notice is that your distribution of your weight is like way more to the front of your foot and to the back of your foot. So you're basically what we call an anterior pelvic shift. So if you want to address the anterior pelvic shift, we need to get certain muscles activated and certain muscles more lengthened or in a proper alignment. So let's do some exercise to address that, and let's start with some hamstring and MFR. I'm just gonna grab a little ball. I'm gonna go towards that table. Right. Right, what I need you to do is just sit down on this table. Just scoot over a little bit to me. Thank you. Alright, let's scoot up the back a little bit. Right. So what I want you to get is I want you to get a neutral spine. So that means like, okay, retract your navel. That we're going to activate the transverse abdominis. I'm going to place the ball underneath your hamstring. And we're just going to slowly get your toes up. There you go. Sweet. A little bit back. There you go. So now we're slowly going to extend your knee. Slowly. Okay, don't press the table, just extend. Okay, that's alright. There you go. So draw the navel, enter your tilt a little bit, enter your pelvic tilt. There you go. Sweet. Slowly extend your knee. Slowly. So we're asking your quads to fire right here and give reciprocal inhibition on your hamstrings. What you've noticed, if you do it properly, then you're going to get some more shakes, more tension. And you're basically telling your hamstrings to relax. So you're making a connection with your upper, with your brain too, and create new associations where your hamstrings need to elongate, when the hamstrings tension. So get this up. There you go. Now hold this. Try to hold this as long as you can. Don't rush it. Take your time. There you go. Pull in, pull it to the end. There you go. Right. If you can, try to keep it as long as possible. Don't go back. Just don't lose the tension. Extend your, there you go. There you go. Awesome. There you go. Beautiful. Almost full extension. It's also a great way to activate your vasomedialis too. There you go. Sweet. There you go. Take a break. Switch legs. How's that feel?
Hard.
It's different, eh?
Yeah.
You see it on all the videos online on YouTube. We've got like 700 videos where Naudi Aguilar is describing this, but doing it in real time with someone that's looking at the small details, like now, you get some shakes, but it's like nothing.
But you are on the other post of the hamstring on this side. You have two heads, your hamstring?
Yeah. Basically you want to get it in between or wherever. If you
where is the most tension?
Yeah, well, if you drop your leg on top of it, you can feel, okay, this is some tension there. But there's more tension. So you can feel that. It's like it sinks in the ball or it doesn't.
Yeah.
Right. So, you're gonna get this up. There you go. And retract the navel, TVA. You're gonna get the toes up. Dorsiflexion. Get your toes up. There you go. So pull the navel. There you go. All there. And slowly extend your knee. Slowly extend your knee. Slowly. You see the difference? So the first time you did it yourself, you got full extension straight off the bat. Now again. There you go. Beautiful. You ain't shaking, you're faking. Keep the TV in. There you go. See? There you go. Beautiful. Make it shake. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, take a break. And just walk. Get on. Yeah. How does it feel?
Looser at the back.
Yeah, that's what we call superficial backline. You have to imagine your superficial backline. It starts here, goes all the way to the sensor, all the way down. Yeah, so basically we just create some more
Freedom.
sincerity. Yeah, some freedom to move. That's what people experience to move. So the next part was your duck feet.
Right.